Girls na naman, okay, girls. Wow, grabe ko dyan, mga girls rating. Okay, next. Very good. Very good. And Jess, okay. Yen, it's not proper, Yen.
Don't worry if you don't want to
Finish na. Okay, this one is level 3. First, oh boy, who will be first? Gino or
Me.
girls power na naman. Okay, ready?
Carlo!
Anak dyan!
Go at the back, Carlo.
Okay, this is the final and the last level. Okay, go! Francis, go! Very good, Francis. Next, Jessica. Okay, next. Very good, Kaya. Wow, very good. Okay, that's enough. Boys, no first. Okay, ready? Next, we have Gino and go. Very good, Gino. Next. Wala, Olivia. John. Good. Very good. Okay. You're all winner. Next game is the hot potato.